Keep pushing that dirt over there. All right, got it. Watch the lines. Keep pushing it this way, just a little more. Okay, I got it. Watch that string line. Perfect.
Panel's clear. Hold it steady.
Got it. Now the next one.
Grab the bundles. Time for shingles.
Line it up here, slowly. Watch the seal. Clear. Clear. Done with the roof. Line it up with the header, just above the bracket. Got it. Check the pitch on this pipe run. All right, let's get this sheet up here. Looks good, right on the stud. Grab the screws, I'll smooth this out.